Students, can you tell me the title of the second essay we studied yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mahi, what is the title of the essay?
Self-improvement and motivation.
Self-improvement and motivation. What is self-improvement? Riyad, what is self-improvement?
Self-improvement is the process of enhancing of your skill, behavior,
Attitude,
etc.
abilities, patterns of behavior, etc. etc. Okay, what is self-improvement? Another one? Definitely, you are 100% right about that. Self-improvement refers to our continuous process of developing our abilities, patterns of behavior, insights. Okay.
So it makes our life easy.
It makes our life easy. So through self-improvement, we feel confident. Through self-improvement, we feel empowered. Okay. So what is motivation then? Be seated, please. Thank you. Motivation. Madam, what is motivation?
Motivation is the inner drive that keeps us focused in our goal.
Very good. It is the inner drive that keeps us focused on our goal. That is why we need motivation. And from the text, we have come to know two types of motivation. What are these two types of motivation? Okay. Another one. Two types of. You, Ashraful. Okay, intrinsic and
Expensive.
okay. What is the difference between these two motivation?
First of all, come to intrinsic motivation. The motivation which is gotten by ourselves is intrinsic motivation. For example, let's say an example. We do good things every day, and we like to gather some knowledge by our own. Thus, we get motivated to gather many types of knowledges, and thus we become self-motivated, and it is called intrinsic motivation. And second one is extrinsic motivation. And extrinsic motivation is a type of motivation which is developed through other people without us.
Okay, we have understood.
So one of the example is, let's say example, we do good things every day, and other people appreciate us for our good things,
And we feel motivated. And that is extrinsic motivation. When other people motivate us, it is known as extrinsic motivation. But sometimes we motivate ourselves. If I go to motivate myself, what type of motivation is it? Intrinsic motivation. So for personal development, we need self-improvement and motivation. But motivation as key. Motivation has what? Sometimes motivation disappears. It ebbs and flows. It ebbs and flows. Sometimes it may disappear. Then at that time, what can take place of the position of motivation? Another one, what can take place, madam?
Sir, discipline and persistence.
Persistence, discipline, of course, diligence.
Yes, sir.
These things have to take place the position of motivation. So what we need for personal development? We need self-improvement, we need motivation, we need disciplined life. You do not have motivation, no problem. If you feel that you are not really motivated, follow disciplined life, and discipline will take you to your goal automatically. This will give you an automated life. Have you got the point? So we need all these things: self-improvement, we need motivation, we need disciplined life, we need diligence, we need persistence. So we have understood the value of all these things. Have you understood?
Yes,
and by doing these things, we can develop our personal development. We can develop our personal development. If we continue to develop ourselves, we will automatically feel confident. But also, this development will simply empower us, will keep us updated. Yes. Have you got the point?
Yes,
Thank you very much for your very fluent answer. Thank you, everybody.